So let us read the question. A particle P is moving in a circle of radius small r with a uniform speed 4 meter per second as shown in figure. When passing through F, the angular velocity of P about E and C are in the ratio. Okay, so किस ratio में होगी? That is 1:1, 1:2, 2:1, 4:1, and this is the E point, this is F point, this is central point C point, और ये distance है हमारे पास x और P पॉइंट यहाँ F पे लाई करता है दैट इज मूविंग विद वेलोसिटी 4 मीटर पर सेकंड। ओके, सो इस क्वेश्चन को सोल्व करने के लिए हमारे पास क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट क्या होगा। हमारे पास क्वेश्चन में मेनली क्या गिवन है कि हमारे पास एक पार्टिकल है जो सर्कल में मूव कर रहा है विद रेडियस आर। ओके, सो विद ए यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड, स्पीड कितनी है उसकी 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड एज शोन इन द फिगर। ओके, सो now what happened here? Now this is moving with the speed 4 meter per second when passes through F. Okay, जब ये F पॉइंट से पास कर रहा है तो इसकी स्पीड है 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड। तो हमारे पास क्या होगा? तो फॉर्मूला क्या होता है एंगुलर वेलोसिटी का? एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ऑफ अ पार्टिकल about a point is is given by that is omega. This is equal to v divided by r, velocity at that point divided by r, distance of the point from where we have to calculate. Okay, so this is the relation. We will use this relation and solve the question. Okay, so first of all, r is the distance of the particle from the point, where r is distance of particle from point. Okay, from point. So r is distance of particle from point. So now omega a, omega, that is they are saying that we have to find out the that this is passing through F and angular velocity of P about C E. So angular velocity of particle P about E. What will be the angular velocity? That is V divided by distance is from E point. Total distance is 2r. So V divided by 2r. Okay. So this is the value of omega E and the value of omega C. इन्होंने बोला कि अब C पॉइंट से निकालो। So C पॉइंट से F पॉइंट का डिस्टेंस कितना है हमारे पास? That is r. Okay. So omega C is equal to V divided by r. और हमें इन दोनों की अब रेशियो निकालनी है at point E and C. So what will be the ratio? That means omega E divided by omega C is equal to V divided by 2R multiplied by V divided by R. V to V cancel, R to R cancel. So this is equal to 1 by 2. So that means हमारे पास रेशियो आ जाती है 1:2. So this is the answer of the question and this match to the option number that is B. So option number B is the correct answer of the question. I hope you understood it.